Welcome back, guys. Now let's see how we can navigate from the home page to the users page. In React Router, there are a couple of ways we can navigate between pages. The link component of the React Router library allows us to achieve this without reloading our application, as a mere HTML anchor tag might do. Let's see how we can achieve this. Back in our home page, let's import the link component from React Router DOM. So here I'm just going to say import link from React Router DOM, just like this. So if I scroll to the bottom of our map function over here, after the H1 loading, let's make use of our link component and actually see how it navigates us from one page to another. So I'm just going to create an opening and closing tag for our link component, just like this. And then we can put our placeholder to be go to users page, just like this. But before this link component can dynamically navigate us to another page, we have to specify the route of the page we want it to take us to. For that, the link component has a prop that takes a URL path as its value. Let's see how that works. Inside the opening tag of our link component, we are going to type to, as in TO is equal to, and then opening and closing quotes. And this is where we specify the URL path we want this link to take us to when we click on it. For this case, we simply put /users, as that is the page we want it to navigate us to. Alright, let's head back to our code and see if this works. Now in our home page, let's just give it a reload. Somewhere at the end of our home page, you can see we have a button that says go to users page. Although this button is not properly formatted, we just need to test it and see how to navigate from one page to another. In the upcoming lessons, we are going to make this even better. Now if I click on this button, you can see it takes us to the users page, and that works perfectly fine. So we use the link component within our JSX to navigate from one page to another. Each time you use the HTML anchor tag to navigate from one page to another, it reloads your entire application and the state has to restart. But when we use the React Router link component, it just kind of changes the component that is being rendered on the screen without altering the state of any other component within our application. And this is really powerful.